राज्यात पोटवेंचणुकाची पुराय तयारी जाल्ली आसा। आता पक्षाक रस्त्यार येवन आनी प्रचार करपाक मेळचो ना। उत्तर गोंय जिल्लो अधिकारी नीला मोहनान मंगळारा पोटवेंचणुका संदर्भात सगळी माहिती दिल्ली। वाळपय 40 जाल्यार पणजेन 30 बुथांचेर वेंचणुको जातल्यो। राज्यात कडक पुलीस नाकाबंदी केल्या म्हण उत्तर गोंय जिल्लो अधिकारी उलयला। आर्टिक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान सांजे मनवली।
All the arrangements are in place for tomorrow's polls. So some information regarding certain orders which have been issued under 144 CRPC and other information we would like to share with you. So as is the case always during any election, there are a couple of 144 orders which have been passed. One is of course against the assembly of 5 or more persons within the premises of the polling station or for any other place for that matter. Unlawful assembly, that is something which is prohibited. We do not want any law and order situation, any scuffle, any argument, nothing of that nature. We want a completely peaceful and smooth court. Similarly, vehicles which were permitted for use by the contesting candidates, those vehicles cannot ply on the road anymore. The campaigning period is over yesterday. And even private vehicles are being monitored. They are being put under surveillance. You may have seen several jockeys in various parts of Panjim and definitely in Valpoi constituency also, where checking is happening in a way which is not disruptive to the public. That is the order regarding unlawful assembly. Then of course dry day has been declared, as you are aware, starting from 5 o'clock yesterday in the evening, which will last till midnight tomorrow, and also on the day of counting, which is the 28th. Then I've also issued one order prohibiting the running of or the opening of hotels, restaurants, shops, etc., which are places where people could congregate within the 200 meters radius from the polling station, to avoid any situation where there could be a scuffle or an argument or any type of law and order situation in the close vicinity to the polling station. You are already aware that there are 30 polling stations in Panjim and there are 46 polling stations in Valpoi. So we have one model polling station each in both these constituencies too. The strong room for the poll DVMs, once they return late tomorrow after the polls, will be in the old GMC complex. The strong room for 11 Panjim constituency is in the ground floor of the old GMC complex, and for 19 Valpoi it is in the first floor. And this will also remain our venue for the purposes of counting. So the strong room will be under the complete security arrangement supervised by the CPF, as is mandated by the Election Commission of India. The inner radius is under the complete charge of the CPF. It will be handed over to them once the strong rooms are sealed in the presence of the observers. The middle perimeter, as they call it, is with the IRBN, and the outermost perimeter is manned by the local police.
We have strengthened the nakabandis in both the Legislative Assembly constituencies. In Panjim alone, since yesterday night, we had around 8 places where nakabandis were held by CPMF as well as the local staff. Similarly, in Valpoi, we have a strict double-layer nakabandi at the Kerry outpost, as well as nakabandis have been strengthened all over the constituency there. Now, with regard to NBWs in Panjim, we have 2 NBWs which are lying pending, and these are NBWs with regard to Negotiable Instruments Act. And both these NBWs are pending because these persons are out of state. Likewise, in Valpoi, only one NBW is pending regarding 138 NI Act only, and this person is also out of state. Regarding chapter cases, so far after the Model Code of Conduct, since 28th of July, we have sent requisition for 376 people under 107 CRPC, 18 under 109 CRPC, and 24 under 110 CRPC. Before the Model Code of Conduct, that is from 1st January 2017 to 27th of July 2017, 1,511 people under 107 CRPC, 50 under 109 CRPC, and 38 under 110 CRPC. So far, we have 2,421 arms deposited in the entire district. There are only 2 cases with regard to elections which have been registered, and both are at Panjim police stations.